Hello, in this next section, you are going to learn visualization types. We talk about ingredients, right? Data is a lot like cooking. So we have to go get our ingredients. We have to clean, cut, prep, cook them. And then we have to make them look good. We have to plate them. Now, we're going to just focus on half of that right now on the display. We're going to focus on the charts, graphs, tables. We call them cards in Domo world. And then we're going to later do a full dashboard together. So you can see, how do I plate things correctly? How do I pace them out in cooking terms? How do I pace my plates out? But you're going to see how this works. We're going to go through all the chart types, not every single chart, but all the chart types, because there's usually a theme. And once you have a sense of that, you're going to see little tips and tricks here to help you move along and how to really visualize the insights. Now, one thing I do want to say is that this, I feel, is highly underrated. I have seen a lot of really bad cards, charts, graphs, tables, whatever you want to say. And the reason is because people aren't using a couple principles that I like to share. Shape, color, context. Shape, color, context. Shape, color, context. What I mean by that is, are we picking the right shape? Do we have the right type of plate? If we're serving, for instance, ice cream, we don't want to serve that on a plate. We don't want to chase after our ice cream. We want to serve that in a bowl. Is it the right shape? Similarly, maybe a chart is best as a table. Maybe it's best as a scatter plot. Maybe it's best as a horizontal line. Whatever. We can start to figure things out. That's the first one. Color. Are we really using color correctly? We don't have to just put colors in there to make things pop. We can use color to help us direct our eye. So for instance, if you have a chart that has a lot of gray in it, and if I make one thing red, your eyes are going to focus on that red thing. And that's maybe what we want to call out. We could do stuff like that. You're going to see how to do that. The last one is context. So what? If I just show you one bar over time, like let's say the month of January, I just show you, here's what that looks like. You don't know if it's good or bad. If I show you January compared to last January and that other bar is now shorter, oh, okay, maybe we're better at something. If I show you January compared to last January and to February, okay, maybe we're even better at something. But having that context is really going to help. So we're going to go over all that stuff right now in visualizations. Get ready for it. It's going to be a lot of fun.